Welcome to George and Jane YouTube video channel of adventures and hobbies. Please subscribe and like, comments welcome. Don't forget to browse the playlists.
Hi YouTubers, it's George. Just messing about with my power bank. It's designed for really driving my amateur radio kit. This is a homemade one, power bank, which has got 12 volt outputs, got a torch built in, and it's got a 230 volt inverter built in. And what I'm doing, because I haven't used it for such a long time, I'm running a couple of mains operated units. Got an extractor fan for a shower running there and another fan there, and it's only a small low power inverter. But the idea is this inverter will power a soldering iron if out in the field, you know, doing ham radio or whatever, I need to solder some connectors on. It's about 11.8 volts at the moment. I want to get the voltage down so I'll give it good charge. I like a good cycle now and again, and when it gets to a certain level it should actually switch itself off to save the batteries, and I'm hoping it will do that. It looks like that fan's almost stationary, but it's not, it's whizzing round. It says 150 watt inverter, so I'm putting it to a little bit of a limit here. Now in the garage, we've got the power unit on charge. See how long it takes. It's 11.8 it says at the moment. I should put the voltmeter on the output terminals and see what they're giving. Well, the output, this is saying 11.8, and my multimeter is saying 11.7. 11.73, that says 11.8. So it's pretty accurate, this little gauge on the front of the unit. I'm quite pleased about that. Also, while I'm testing the power bank thing I made, I'm getting ready for my QRP session on Thursday, weather permitting. So I'll take my aerial bag, power bank bag, the other aerial bag, and I might take my small linear amplifier, not sure. But it's all dependent on the weather.